Dang. Oh, dang. Yo, excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute? Yeah, can I talk to you for a minute?
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to tell you that the back of your head is ridiculous.
Thanks.
You're welcome, honey. Yo, my name's Darrell. Like Daryl, but pronounced Darrell.
Really?
Really. What's your name?
Yvonne?
Oh, like French? Like croissant with cheese? I love
guess
this.
so.
You got a boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend at? What's your
Who?
boyfriend? Your boyfriend? Is he tall? Is he big? Can he beat me up?
I don't have a boyfriend.
You don't?
No.
Really? Well, in that case, can I ask you a question?
You have to.
Can I have your number? Can I have it? Can I have your number, please?
No.
What? Can I have what? Why can't I have your number?
I don't give out my number at
Oh.
a movie theater.
Oh, I see. You like the ponder the film, the cinema.
Yeah,
like
it's my day off. I just want to watch the movie by myself.
I got that. I can appreciate that. Yvonne.
I just want to watch the movie on my day off, alone, by myself.
I got you, baby.
Yeah. Yep.
So I can respect that.
Yeah.
But can I have your number?
Well, no, I don't think so.
Can I have it?
No.
Can,
No. No.
Oh, I got you. I can take that.
Okay.
I got you.
I just want to watch the movie.
I got you, Yvonne. I got you.
Okay.
You sure I can't have your number?
I'm sure.
Can I have the digits that will access your number so I can talk to you?
I just want to watch the movie. Do I need to leave?
Can I have your number? No, you don't need to leave, baby.
Okay.
I just come over here.
I'm running out of seats here, so I'm gonna need you to go back over there.
You do that, Vaughn. You enjoy this film. We enjoy this film together.
If you're over there, I'm watching.
I love you.